Just put it here? Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Yikes.
Just used my Apple Card for the first time. It's that easy, man. Apple Pay, I highly recommend it. I'm here at Starbucks. I don't have the card in hand yet, but it's coming soon. It's just shipped. But no, let me know down in the comments down below. What's your favorite Starbucks drink?
This is cool. The Apple Card.
Oh yeah?
$5 Starbucks white chocolate mocha. But I wasn't sure if I should have got it hot or cold, but either way, it went through. So today, August 20th, is the day that I received my physical Apple Card. I've been using my Apple Card for quite some time thanks to Apple Pay. It came through UPS, which is a shocker. I thought it would be FedEx at least, but UPS is fine. Okay, open it up nice and slow. That good old Apple logo. You guys can see that nice little Apple logo, simplistic. This is nice. It looked like I was invited to an Apple event, but look at the card, titanium goodness. The packaging, nice colors. The more you use your card, all the colors is gonna fill up. And this is my first ever titanium credit card. Sean Smith. And on the back, no credit card numbers whatsoever. I bet you 5 years from now, we're not gonna have no credit cards on our cards. Trust me. The card looks premium, titanium. Ooh, didn't want to dent it up on the side. Chamfer edges, similar to the iPhone 5. The edges is nice and shiny. I would love to see a space gray version. Now I'm actually gonna switch lens so you guys can see it a little bit more closely. And we're gonna activate this card for the first time. Now if you have an iPhone XS, the only thing you have to do is just put it on here. Because this has an NFC chip, so your iPhone is automatically gonna see that just fine. But I have an iPhone 10. I'm waiting for the iPhone 12. And this is iOS 13, by the way. And all you gotta do, you just launch the wallet application. And from the wallet application, all you gotta do is just tap on the dots. And you just look down and just tap on activate card. And then now you can do the special magic trick. Yep, there it goes. That's it. That's it. All we gotta do is just tap activate card. And it should be done. And yeah, there's a little bar there on the top there, but and your card is ready to be used. So I would say, honestly, in my opinion, this is the worst way to use Apple Card. The best way to use it is through Apple Pay or in the Apple Store, but do you. If you want to flex on them, you can do so. This is my second credit card. Anytime I use my card physically, I'm going to get 1% cash back. I get 2% for using Apple Pay, and then 3% at the Apple Store or Apple subscriptions or in-app purchases. Yeah, I already spent $147.59, so I got to pay my Apple bill by September 30th. And keep in mind, guys, this is a regular credit card, so use your credit card responsibly. If your limit is $10,000, don't go out and spend $10,000 on, you know, on a Mac or something like that. You know, pay off your bills on time, pay it off full, because you don't want to be paying interest. But other than that, this is officially my credit card. It's going to be in my wallet. I just had to. I just had to.